everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now here I am at Walmart doing some shopping. Come on with me, guys. All right, so I am doing some graduation shopping and I am so excited. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channel. Now I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music as I pick out what it is that I want to buy for my celebration. they have such beautiful items for you to choose from for your loved one. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoy showing you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and God bless you.